Hello guys, mayroon naman tayo isang makina na i-rebuild. Ang problema nito ay putol yung crankshaft. Ito ang aking boy from Simbu. Miplalain nimlo how to rebuild engine. This engine is Perkins engine. Mi teach him lo, milain lo how to rebuild, rouse him something parts. Isla and dasla naraplaman ipalalain him na isla prama guru ka
Apukan, apumen,
guru ka man
apukan di.
Yung disla to yung may pitim lo automatic transmission lo Mitsubishi Outlander kanya close to finish him disla man yung may Miki Mugupla.
Tomorrow, tomorrow.
Talk starting tomorrow. You look him. Imbay run o imbay stop tasol. Now.
Ati na, no, stop lang.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.